Now here's a bit of a bonus video for you guys. It's a video of me flying over the Tampa Bay area in a helicopter. As you know, I've been building hours in the helicopter, getting ready for the nationwide Open for Business tour. Now don't worry, this channel is not going to become an aviation channel. Nothing wrong with that, but that's not what we do here. This is just one little fun video of me flying around. I hope you enjoy it. And if flying around is not exactly your thing, still please watch to the very end because the YouTube ads that are in here help support the channel and also helps finance this nationwide small business awareness campaign. Included in this video are some screw-ups where I messed up talking to air traffic control and I was talking to the wrong tower. And another time where they wouldn't let a student pilot into a certain area, so I had to call up my instructor and say, hey, what do you want me to do? Hey, this is just raw and uncut. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
Eight Zulu, weather, wind 040 at 3, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 18 Celsius, dew point 7, altimeter 3018.
Clearwater Air Park is open daily from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. The FBO is open until 9 p.m.
Clearwater Unicom, radio check.
Loud and clear. Clearwater traffic, Archer 44 Zulu, right downwind, runway 34, Clearwater. Clearwater traffic, Archer 44 Zulu, right base, runway 34, Clearwater. Clearwater traffic, Archer 44 Zulu, on final, runway 34, Clearwater. Clearwater traffic, Archer 44 Zulu, clear the active. Taxi back, runway 34, Clearwater.
Code traffic, helicopter 4034, hotel taking 34, code traffic. Clear traffic, helicopter 34 Hotel is over on top of the world at 900 feet northbound, clear traffic.
Clearwater traffic, Archer 44 Zulu, departing runway 34 for a northbound departure. Clearwater.
Clear traffic, helicopter 34 Hotel is over to the Dunedin baseball fields at 900 feet northbound.
Arcadia traffic, Cessna 182, we're on the RNAV A, Zimsu, so about 8 miles final for runway 6, Arcadia. Arcadia traffic, Cessna 182, 6 mile final, runway 6 on the RNAV A.
Clear traffic, helicopter 34 Hotel is over Lake Tarpon, northbound, 900 feet, final call. Clear traffic.
Clearwater traffic, Archer 44 Zulu, vicinity Honeymoon Island, 1,000 feet, Clearwater. Northbound.
Arcadia traffic, Cessna 182's 1 mile final, runway 6.
This traffic 638 at Romeo, 10 miles southwest of the airport, depart traffic advisory.
Hidden Lake traffic, helicopter 4034 Hotel, about 3 miles south of your airport, eastbound towards the Veterans Expressway at 900 feet. Hidden Lake traffic.
Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 17 Celsius. Dew point 11 Celsius. Altimeter 3019er. Remarks. Density altitude 100.
Brooksville, Tampa Bay Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation 1416 Zulu. Wind 350 at 03. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 17 Celsius. Dew point 11 Celsius. Altimeter 3020. Remarks. Density altitude 100.
Exfil 222 X-ray Sierra Lakeland ground, runway 10 at top speed, and to the pop-up top speed.
Hey, 90 Mike Delta, got it when you're ready. Carry 90 Mike Delta, you are cleared to Asheville Airport. Via radar vectors Wylon, direct Cam Joe,
direct Alma, AMG, then as filed. After departure, climb and maintain 2000, expect flight level 29010 minutes. Departure frequency 118.8, squawk 2102.
You can request it for sure. It's only on runway 50 in Atlanta Heliport we have here.
Here 90 Mike Delta, read back correct, advisor ready to taxi, and plan on runway 3.
Number 717, or correction, November 360 Yankee Bravo, thanks to VS Foxtrot, Delta, Bravo, Echo, cross runway 5.
Helicopter 4034 Hotel, Brooksville Tower.
Helicopter 4034 Hotel, you're on Lakeland ground. Are you looking for me?
Disregard.
Bear 957 Papa Quebec, Lakeland ground. Good morning. Taxi shelter via Alpha Juliet.
Helicopter 4034 Hotel to Brooksville Tower.
Helicopter 34 Hotel, Brooksville Tower.
Good morning, sir. Student pilot inbound to your location for pattern work coming from the south over the Veterans Expressway at 900 feet.
Helicopter 34 Hotel, roger. Unable pattern work at this time for helicopters.
Roger that. Thank you. Have a good day.
Good day. Brooksville Tower, only motel, route south outside the airspace, we'll see you later. One Lima Tower, roger, for exchange approved, fall. For exchange approved, start about earlier, see ya.
957 Papa Quebec, Lakeland ground. Good morning. Taxi shelter via Alpha Juliet.
Helicopter 34 Hotel, Brooksville Tower. Helicopter 34 Hotel, roger. Unable pattern work at this time for helicopters. Roger that. Thank you. Have a good day. Good day.
Exchange approved, start about earlier. See ya.
November 471 Alpha, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 471 Alpha. Have a great day.
And tower for 6043, do you care if it's left or right pattern? Yes, sir. Make right traffic. Right traffic, 6043.
And Bristol Tower, number 674 Delta Whiskey, and turning left downwind for runway 3, for the opposite.
November 4 Delta Whiskey, roger. Runway 3, I don't have you inside. Are you past midfield?
Right, pass by the tower, 674 Delta Whiskey.
4 Delta Whiskey, roger. Runway 3, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, runway 3, 674 Delta Whiskey.
And you're inside.
Roger.
Coast Guard 6043, number 2, following the Skyhawk on the opposite downwind. And traffic in sight, number 2 for 6043. Coast Guard 6043, traffic's on the left base now. And traffic inside 6043. Coast Guard 6043, roger. Number 2, runway 3, cleared for touch and go, and I'm going to be unable to let you sit on the runway. I got traffic waiting to go, IFR and other touch and goes in the pattern. And roger, number 2, runway 3, we'll make this a running landing. We'll make it clear for you. Okay.
And Tower Kinger 890 Mike Delta, we're ready to go on runway 3.
Kinger 890 Mike Delta, Brooksville Tower, hold short of runway 3, landing traffic.
Mike Delta, roger, holding short, runway 3.
November 4 Delta Whiskey, you full stop.
Yep, to the northeast.
Delta Whiskey, proceed on course northeastbound.
Proceed on course northeastbound, 74 Delta Whiskey.
Oh, isn't that sweet? Thank you.
King 890 Mike Delta after departure. Turn left heading 320, climb and maintain 2000. Runway 3, clip takeoff, Carson Wake Terminus, departing 860, and he'll be making a right crossing.
Lights on the runway, we're left to 320 up to 2,000 feet, and we're clear.
Coast Guard 6043, runway 3, clear for the option this time.
Clearwater traffic, Archer 3003, back is turning right, base for 34, Clearwater. Clearwater traffic, Archer 3003, back, turning final for 34, Clearwater.
Turning left base, runway 27, and increase.
Clearwater traffic, Archer 3003, Quebec is going around, Clearwater. Clearwater traffic, Archer 3003, Quebec is turning right, crosswind 34, Clearwater.
10 miles, 10 miles west of the field, Arcadia traffic.
Helicopter 34 Hotel, Clearwater Unicom.
This is Clearwater Unicom, go ahead.
Ma'am, please notify Grace that Brooksville was closed. I'll do a couple laps around Pinellas if that's all right.
Stand by. She's coming on the radio for you. This is Grace.
Grace, it's Steven. Brooksville was closed. Do you want me to just do a couple laps around Pinellas?
You can go to Pilot Country and do 3 laps there.
Understood, thank you.
Or Steven, if you want, you can go up to Crystal River.
Understood, we'll do.
Clearwater traffic, Archer 3003, Quebec is on, taking right downwind for 34, Clearwater.
Roger that, traffic and trailer guys. Numbers getting out right now over the field.
And Inverness traffic, Cardinal 79 X-rays turning final, runway 1 Inverness. Got the departing aircraft in sight.
And Inverness, experimental 222 X-rays here. I'm going to do a 360 here on final.
Okay, RV is looking for you, 360. Can't see you right now.
I've got you. I'm pretty much a beam you right now.
Okay, I'll stretch it out a little bit.
Dennis, traffic lights 14.
Okay, I got you now. I'll come in behind you.
Thank you.
Alpha overflying. The field is 1500 for a left downwind. Runway 5 then.
Experimental 232, Blue X-rays here is mile 5 for runway 1.
And Inverness traffic, November 95551 is turning right downwind for runway 1.
Inverness traffic, Cessna 67387, 4 nautical miles south of the runway. Will be departing towards south, last call Inverness.
Inverness traffic, RZ12, long final, runway 1 Inverness, touch and go.
And Inverness traffic, November 9551 is on the right downwind for runway 01 and is departing the pattern to the south, last call Inverness.
Inverness traffic, Pipistrel 47 Romeo Romeo, turning right, crosswind, runway 1, Inverness. Inverness traffic, Pipistrel 47 Romeo Romeo, turning right downwind, runway 1, Inverness.
Peter Knight traffic, Skyhawk 6186 Tango is 8 miles to the southeast. We're inbound for runway 4, Peter Knight.
Inverness traffic, Pipistrel 47 Romeo Romeo, turning right base, runway 1, Inverness.
Inverness traffic, Ford 59's a Black Hawk helicopter at 1,000 feet. We're 10 nautical miles to the south. We're transitioning south to north, 1,000 feet over the airfield. Inverness traffic.
Inverness traffic, Pipistrel 47 Romeo Romeo, final runway 1, Inverness.
Peter Knight traffic, Skyhawk 6186 Tango 5 miles to the east, inbound runway 4, Peter Knight.